How many happy family vacations have gotten off to a bad start when 200 miles from home, Dad suddenly yells, "Wait, did I turn off the range?" And remember when you were little and you accidentally reached up and touched the grates or the burners on a gas or electric range shortly after Mom turned it off? That was a nasty burn on your little fingers, wasn't it? Gas and traditional electric burners can be dangerously hot for quite some time after the range has been turned off. And don't forget all those terrifying YouTube videos of family pets or small children or even grandma or grandpa accidentally turning on a gas burner and then wandering off while an open flame burns unattended. Fortunately, there is a better option than traditional gas and traditional electric ranges. All of these safety concerns and more can be solved through the advantages of electric induction cooking. First of all, unlike traditional gas or electric cooktops, induction cooktops remain cool to the touch during the cooking process. The magic lies in the use of magnetic fields to directly heat the cookware, while the glass cooking surface itself doesn't get hot. This significantly reduces the risk of accidental burns or house fires, making it a safe option, especially for households with children or grandchildren who may be curious little explorers in the kitchen. The glass top may retain some residual heat from the pan itself, but it's not enough to cause a fire or burn tiny fingers, or even my fingers. I've tried it. Next, induction cooktops provide precise temperature control, allowing you to cook with utmost precision and confidence. Unlike gas stoves, where an open flame can pose a risk if left unattended, induction cooktops allow you to set the desired heat level and maintain it consistently throughout the cooking process. This eliminates the worry of a flame accidentally igniting anything nearby, curtains, woodwork, and provides you with peace of mind while you multitask at dinner time. And get this, induction cooktops usually have an auto shut-off feature, which adds an extra layer of safety. If the cooktop detects that there's no compatible cookware present, or if you accidentally leave a burner on for an extended period, the range will automatically turn off to prevent any potential hazards. This feature acts as a helpful safety net, giving you added confidence in the reliability of your induction cooktop. The Fulgor Milano induction ranges and cooktops that we sell here at LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise have this wonderful safety feature. And it's really a nice thing because even if you forget to turn it off, it turns itself off. Finally, induction cooking is not only safe, but also clean and environmentally friendly. Because the heat is transferred directly to the cookware, there's no minimal energy waste and maximum heat transfer. Additionally, the smooth glass surface makes cleaning a breeze, with no stubborn food particles or spills getting trapped in burner grates or gas lines. And since the glass cooktop itself doesn't heat up, food can't burn or stick to it. It's a hassle-free and hygienic way to keep your kitchen sparkling clean. Remember, maximum heat transfer means minimal energy waste, which in turn means your meals cook faster so you can save both time and energy. Not only is this good for your pocket, it also contributes to a greener and more sustainable lifestyle. Induction cooking is a win for everyone. Interested in learning more about induction? Well, check out this next video and be sure to visit our website, www.luxkitchenandbath.com, and Lux is spelled with 2 X's. Thanks for watching. Bye.